Mastering that in relative clauses. Your gateway to perfect English. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll be delving into an interesting aspect of English grammar, defining relative clauses, specifically focusing on the usage of the word that for people and things. This is going to make your English sound more natural and fluent, so let's get started. Defining relative clauses provide essential information about the noun they refer to. That is a relative pronoun we use in these clauses. The interesting part about that is, it can be used for both people and things. Consider the following examples. The book that I'm reading is fascinating. The man that I saw yesterday is my neighbor. In both these sentences, that introduces a defining relative clause, in bold, providing crucial information about the noun preceding it. The relative pronoun, that, is very flexible. It can replace who, whom, or which in a defining relative clause. However, it's generally used when we want to keep our language simple and straightforward. Remember, that is not usually used after a comma or preposition, or after the words all or the only. Let's practice this with some sentences. The woman that I admire is a famous writer. Incorrect. The woman that I admire is a famous writer. Correct. Now, it's time for some practice. We'll show a few sentences and identify whether that is used correctly or not. 1. The movie that we watched last night was thrilling. Correct. 2. All that glitters is not gold. Correct. Remember, idiomatic expressions can have their own rules. 3. This is the dog that I adopted. Incorrect. That should not be used after a comma. Practicing with such sentences will help you improve your grasp of this concept. And that's a wrap for today. We've covered the usage of that in defining relative clauses, when to use it, and how to identify its correct usage. As always, keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself using that like a pro in your conversations and writings. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonders of the English language.